I've got another multi-step equation for us, so I'll take us through solving this one. Same thing as the last one, we need to simplify before we can start moving stuff to the other side. So in this one, I've got on the right-hand side some distributing that I can do, and then I'll go ahead and start moving things over to the left. So on the right, I see parentheses, and the number in front of those parentheses is a -2. So I'm going to take that -2 and distribute it into the parentheses. -2 gets multiplied to the 5 and to that -w. So I've got the 12 and the 6w staying the same, nothing changes. And then I multiply -2 times 5 and I get -10. Then -2 times -w. You can think of it as -1w if that helps. -2 times -1w and you get +2w. On the right, I see like terms, so I'm going to go ahead and combine those. The 6w and the 2w are those like terms. When I combine them, +6, +2, I can add to get +8w. And now the right-hand side is as simple as it gets. I can't add, subtract, multiply, divide anything. So that's how I know I can start moving stuff to the other side. Since I only have my variables on one side, here on the right, there's no other w's anywhere else, I'm going to leave those there and move everything away from the w. So I start with the addition and subtraction. So I'm going to undo the -10 by adding 10 to both sides. I get 22 is equal to 8w, and then I undo the multiplication and division. I've got 22 over 8 is equal to w. Of course, we can reduce this. They're both even numbers, so at the very least, I can divide by 2, and I get 11 over 4. So that's as far as I can go because 11 and 4 don't have any common factors. So I would just say my solution here is 11 over 4. And of course, you can go back and check, make sure you're super confident. I'll go ahead and box my answer here. So that's another example of solving multi-step equations. Hope that helped, and I'll see you next time. Bye.